Check it out, y'all. We got us a butterball turkey. What do you think about that, Toothpick?
I thought y'all were giving me a new nickname, but now I see I'm in. Let's get that turkey smoking.
Let's go. What we're gonna do is an extra special recipe today. We're using the spicy, hot Chipotle. This is spicier than the spicy Danos. You know we got that green top and the red top. Now we got the maroon top. It's all about that hot Chipotle. So it's got a nice sweet heat. There's no sugar in it still, but it's that sweet Chipotle flavor and that all natural herbs and spices. So that's what we're throwing on this turkey today. Where I just called Toothpick up yesterday. I was like, come on over. We're gonna smoke us a butterball. What'd you think when I said smoke us a butterball?
I thought it was my destiny. I thought I was about done for. You guys ready for this? 24.68 pounds. My math teacher in second grade taught me how to round up. That is 25 pounds rounded up. Big old bird, big old bird.
Look how they tuck these legs in here. Just pop them bad boys out. We'll save that neck, make a stew or something with it. Then, yeah, all the other innards, they're usually in there. They're not in there. Oh, there's the giblets. There's a little bag of giblets. Look how long his neck was. Poor little guy. Look at that thing.
You know, I bet you that's the most tender part. Before we go any further, can we name the bird?
Look at that big old turkey. He was flying once upon a time. But now he's getting ready to get spatchcocked. So, I'll show you how to spatchcock a turkey real quick. You want to get you a super sharp knife, because this is a big old turkey, and basically all we're going to do is we're going to cut this spine right out. So you can see, you can kind of run my fingers down. That's what we're going to cut out right there. We'll go in. Look how sharp that knife is. That's a sharp knife. There we go. Just like that.
Still a big fan of thinking we should name this guy.
Well, what are we gonna name it, Toothpick?
Can we call it Frank? Frank the turkey? Frank the Tom. Frank the Tom.
It's one of those Victorinox Swiss Army. Straight into that bone. There we go. Yeah, right there. There's your spine. So we'll save this. So we'll totally make turkey soup using the neck and the spine and the leftovers. So when you're spatchcocking on a chicken, you don't always have to do this because they're so small, but on a turkey, you definitely have to do this because it's not gonna lay out flat for you. This is the sternum plate right here. Basically, we need to split that because otherwise, you can see, try and lay this out right now, it won't lay flat. So what I gotta do, I'm gonna go right in this little sternum plate, just cut through it. I would hit it, but I got all these bones that'll just cut my hand probably. I'm gonna get right through it just like that. Now, see how I cracked it? And now we can take it and we can lay it flat, just like that. And that's how you spatchcock a turkey.
I don't know.
Oh, Frank.
Frankie's sick. I don't think he's ever gonna lay flat.
Yeah. So I'm gonna flip this back over, and the most important part when you go to season to smoke a turkey is seasoning the bone side. That's why I love to do the spatchcock. If you threw this whole turkey on there, it's gonna take longer to cook, and you're not gonna get like all the seasoning into the bones and stuff. So basically we turn this turkey over, and now it's time to really get the flavor cooked in. Now I'm gonna clean some of these pieces up, like some of this right here, like that's unnecessary. Being that we're smoking and we're trying to eat all this, like I'll just put that over here in the little chicken, the turkey pot, everything that's gonna go in that turkey soup. So we'll just kind of clean this bird up for a second.
We're taking Frank's thickness away.
But we will use that spot. So Toothpick, Frank needs some seasoning.
I'm excited about that hot Chipotle.
Yes, sir.
On Frank.
I imagine we're going to use probably that whole bottle.
Well, that's okay, because Frank is 25 pounds, and if you can get away with 3.5 ounces of real flavor on 25 pounds, I think that's doing pretty dang good.
Well, and you got to keep in mind too, it's a $7 bottle of seasoning. But you got a $50 turkey here. You better season it up right.
Frank is definitely worth $7. In fact, you know what? Frank is worth real flavor, and that's what he's about to get.
Season them up, Toothpick.
Oh boy. A little tap tap on his little Frankie legs. Get a nice even coating on Frank.
Here, hang on 1 second. We should put a little binder on here, some sauce or something. Grab us some hot sauce over there. Since we're going hot Chipotle anyways, we're gonna make this turkey hot. So why not rub it down with some hot sauce? Grab the truff sauce. Put a little extra added flavor up on this turkey.
Come on, Truffy.
Come on, Toothpick.
When you use it and it's almost at the bottom, you gotta shake it out pretty hard.
Well, we use a little more. You got some more, shake some more. Well, I don't know.
Yeah, the other side.
Yeah, that's gonna be. All right.
All right, so
Now
back
we
to my
got
favorite
rubbed
part.
down. Now I'll hit it with that hot Chipotle.
This is my favorite part. Adding real herbs and spices, real flavor to what you're gonna be cooking. The best part of this whole situation. Give a little tap, little toothpick tap right there so you can get on the legs.
Get it all right up in here, right here.
Yeah, you just kind of, yeah. Look at that.
Yo, buddy.
Even those bones are gonna be gourmet with that Dan-O's on it.
Here, hit them up right in here.
Oh yeah.
You definitely want to get on them bones. Yeah.
I wish you guys could smell this because it is.
Yeah, it does smell awesome.
Awesome.
All right, flip this bad boy over. Time to do it again.
Giving Frank the old truffle waffle.
Yeah. Might need some more hot sauce, or hopefully we don't. Oh yeah. Get the wings nice and rubbed down.
I think that should be good there, sir.
Looks good to me.
Now we're gonna make it look dang good though, right?
Oh yeah.
Oh boy. Tell me when I can go. Tell me when I can go. Can you lift that wing up so I can get down in there?
There you go. Get up on that right there. Look at that.
Look
at that, Brad.
Little Frankie deodorant there.
Oh yeah. How much bottle we got so far?
No, we're actually still over half.
Yep.
So
we're
not really using
we're gonna
a
have
lot.
enough. We're gonna have enough for sure.
Oh. Luckiest turkey. Luckiest turkey butterball ever had.
It's gonna be spicy.
It's gonna be flavor packed.
If you want to add some brown sugar into this, you can totally add some brown sugar into it.
Frankie deodorant. Turkey wing, turkey wing.
Turkey wing. Here, put a little pile on my hand.
Oh yeah.
Rub that right here. Here.
Does this not look like the happiest turkey you've ever seen?
Happy turkeys. Happy turkeys is what we're making today. Happy turkeys. I think I rubbed it off.
Yep. Oh yeah. Oh wait.
I got it. Here, hit this. Yeah.
Oh, Frank. Frankie.
Inside right here. Oh, look, spread that little crease open. Yeah, hit it again. Now it's time to go on the smoker. So let's go out here. We already got our coals going, but let's set it up where we can get, we're going on the green egg and we're gonna do an indirect heat.
I think we gotta change his name real quick.
What's the name?
Now his name's gonna be Flavorful Frank, because we got flavor on him.
Flavorful Frankie.
Flavorful Frankie to the smoker.
We're gonna go get it set up. We're gonna set up the green egg. We're gonna throw it on. All right, y'all, so you can see we got our coals hot. The beautiful thing about the green egg is you don't have to pile this thing with coals because it's such a, like the contraption, like the ceramic and everything's gonna keep all that heat, and these coals will burn for hours. So I'm thinking this is probably gonna be about a 4 or 5 hour smoke. But we got some nice chunks of oak here that you can also get from green egg. So we're gonna throw these in there. The bigger chunks, the better, because we are wanting them to smoke for a while. So we'll throw that in there.
I really think Flavorful Frank approves.
Flavorful Frank. So now we take our little heat shield thing, whatever you want to call it, set that in like so. Here's our little smoker that, or cooker thing that Green Egg sent to me, and we put another thing on here, but I think this turkey's too big to set up top because it's going to be touching the top if we put it up there. So what I'm going to do is just take one layer off. All right, so we'll just set it on there just like that. That's how we're going to do it. It's smoking now. Let me go get Frank. Flavorful Frank. Here we go. Flavorful Frank going on the smoker. Look at him. That's a happy bird. Yeah. Yes, sir. We're going on. Indirect heat. I mean, you literally, this is an XL green egg, which an XL is the big boy. And we're needing the whole thing. Look at that. We'll let that bad boy smoke. See you in a little bit. All right, so it's been about 5 hours-ish. We had to adjust a little bit of the temperature. We had to take it off at one point, add a little bit more coals. But this bad boy is done. It's at like 165, and it's looking perfect. Look at that. Oh yeah. So we're getting ready to get old Flavorful Frank off here. Get it on our cutting board. Bad boy is looking juicy. I'll get underneath. Just like that. And let's get it on. Perfect.
That's what you call a dang good looking bird.
Yum, yum, get you some. It's looking good, good, good. All right, so I'm gonna cut this bad boy up the best way I know how. First, I'm gonna start by detaching these wings here. I'm gonna get right up under here, like so. Maybe it's not the wing that goes first. Ooh. Here, we're gonna detach this thigh. See all that juice. The juice is loose, baby. The juice is loose.
Does that mean the glove fits?
Look at that. Look at that. Let's go through right here. Oh, I thought I was gonna get it right on point.
There's always next year's Flavorful Frank.
Well, we got that. Got that.
Frank's meat's tender, but his joints are still a little arthritic.
We'll go right through. Just like that. Look at that. It smells amazing. Look at that.
Oh my gosh, that is the juiciest bird.
I've only done this a few times. We want to get this. There you go. Yeah. If anybody needs Dan to come over and butcher their turkey for Thanksgiving, just give me a call, 502-92. So look, this is what we're gonna try and do here, is to separate this huge turkey breast off. Hot, super hot. Look, we got the keel, that's the keel muscle right there. So we just separate this whole turkey breast just like that. And then we'll lay that bad boy over. We'll fillet it right up.
With skin on, correct?
Yeah.
Skin on every bite so everybody gets that flavor.
It's looking good. You want to talk about yum yum, get you some. That right there, my friends. Man, look at that. Super white, succulent meat, juicy. Here, get that with the skin there, Toothpick. It's hot. That's some juicy meat.
That is the juiciest turkey I've ever had, I think.
Cooked perfectly.
That flavor, though. Let's talk about that flavor for a minute. Hold on now. Wow.
That's awesome. That skin right there. I mean, I still got the flavor and I didn't even have any of the skin. Imagine if you actually did more than what we did, or you brine this, or if you inject it and get all that flavor in there, it's gonna be next level. This is already next level because it's got Danos on it. But
so this is the next level it's at, but brining, go up here. Imagine that flavor packed in to this bird.
yeah. This looks good. Piece of that.
Is that not juicy as can be?
They're awesome. That's pretty hard to beat for a turkey. I'm telling you guys what. I've Googled many times how to butcher a turkey. And I was trying to do it. I did pretty good. Look, I got the leg there. I got the thigh. You can present that, put it all back together, make a pretty presentation with it all. But you guys, that's some good meat right there. Telling you what, it's the Yum Yum Get You Some. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. You can do all kinds of stuff with this. Make sure you save the bones, all that. Make a soup, make a stew, whatever you want to do. But there's one thing you definitely got to do, and that's subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit the like button, leave a comment. Until next time, keep sprinkling, my friends, and Yum Yum Get You Some.